I was hiding a little secret from you guys. When I first started a free downloading game, I just discovered that I could buy a toy for that game, and I found it here. I like Roblox, the free downloaded game, and this is a Roblox toy. It's called Sun Slayer. So, where's the Sun Slayer on this? There's some at the back as well, okay? I think the Sun Slayer's at the back. I was about to get that robot. I found the Sun Slayer there.
So you got a shield and
A sword.
a sword and a shield, okay.
Like Pokemon sword and Pokemon shield. Ah. Ah. There's all pieces together. And did take off his helmet, so now's the chance. I took off his helmet, and this is what he looks like without his helmet.
Oh, go. Oh,
Okay.
go.
I gotta put his helmet back on.
Without the helmet, he got a hole on his head.
Yeah. So, because there's something.
Oh, just like the Lego toys, Lego mans, they have holes on their heads.
Yeah. Look. Ready for battle.
Come on, close up. Whoa. Wow.
Look at all of these Lego Roblox figures you can collect. Wait, this is a noob. Noob. And then at the back, it shows my Sun Slayer there. Ooh. Wait, who's this? I think I see him in a game somehow.
Why do you play a lot of Roblox?
Not so much. This is someone from. This is a diver noob from Fishing Simulator.
So where's your Sun Slayer?
Here, Sun Slayer.
Okay.
Here.
So do you like that then?
Yeah, but I want to collect some more.
Oh no, how much is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, look at this.
Yeah. So it's a background there.
And then if you flip it over, then.
Yeah. So how do you rate it then?
Well, I give it a thumbs up, and then 2 more stars, and then another thumbs up.
Only
and
2
then-
stars, not
and
5
then
stars.
more, and then 4 more stars.
Okay.
2 plus 4. What's
Whoa, 6.
6?
Only need 5.
Okay.
Okay.
So I make that 5.
Okay.
This is something that I got when I was on my holiday.
Where? Where did you buy it?
In a Royal Air Force shop thingy.
Yeah.
And
In Bournemouth?
yeah, in Bournemouth. I was going to say that. And
Do you know what is that? What kind of aircraft is that?
no, it's a plane. I don't know.
It's a Spitfire, I think. Isn't it?
Spitfires have 2 jets, not 1.
Oh.
And Spitfires are grey, I think.
Okay.
So this is cool.
Oh, the Sun Slayer is fighting your Spitfire. Okay. See that.
The Sun Slayer has wings, so it could probably fly.
Okay. No! What is the Sun Slayer doing? Oh no! the sun is slaying my Spitfire. Oh no.